Hey guys, and welcome to another video. My name is Awais, and today we're going to be unboxing the MX900 Performance Combo. Now, I've never actually owned a Logitech keyboard or mouse, so I'm super excited to unbox this. However, my brother, he owns a Logitech keyboard for the living room, so it's like a media keyboard. And recently, one of my mates, he bought the MX Master mouse, and that is pretty amazing. I really enjoyed using that mouse, hence why I bought the combo instead of just the MX mouse. If you're watching this right now, if you do want to own an MX Master mouse, go and check it out. On Amazon, it's actually retailing for £40, and normally I think it retails for about £70. So if you do want a bargain, go grab it right now. It is the first generation of the MX Master mouse. So before we start unboxing this, let's just have a quick look at the box itself. So we've got Performance MX900 here. So you're able to power through your task with a backlit keyboard and the MX mouse. That is the only description it has. This is the side profile, so you have an image and the actual name. And this is the back of the box. I'll go through some of these things in a bit. So I've got my trusted knife. Let's unbox this. Wow, solid box. So with anything, you have the manual, setup guide, and some tech information. You also get this really tiny receiver. As far as I know, the MX Master 2S mouse is a Bluetooth mouse, but the keyboard is not. So you also get this micro USB cable. Unfortunately, this combo does not come with a type USB-C. They do not support that. You also get this extension USB-A male-female connector, and this is the MX Master 2S mouse. Looks fantastic. I mean, feels amazing just to hold it. This is the side profile, so you can see it has a side scroll, 2 buttons, and this of course is a button. The bottom profile of the mouse, it's got 1, 2 and 3, so you can connect up to 3 devices. Side profile of the mouse. You can type comfortably day or night with the large concave laser edge keys with auto adjusting backlighting and the Logitech perfect stroke scissor key system. Hey, listen for yourself. With a smart speed adaptive scroll wheel and a unique thumb wheel, connect the mouse to multiple computers with easy switch technology. Dark field laser sensor tracks flawlessly where standard mice fail, works with precision on glass and glossy surfaces. You can hear the buttons click, and it's a firm sound, which is really good. The keyboard and mouse hold battery for up to 10 days on a full charge. You can also adjust the angle of the keyboard. Just prop the 2 feet up and you're good to go. You can unlock the full range of possibilities and customize each of your devices to your needs with the Logitech option software. This software is simple to use. It picks up your devices once plugged in, and you're pretty much good to go to customize it the way you want. I've been using this comp for over a week at work now, and it's improved my productivity for sure. I enjoy using the shortcuts, and it's so good to not have those cables. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and also comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video.